Yeah, back to the racing. What do you feel about that jockey situation?
Bro,
your brother man said you said you gonna hire you a jockey or get you a, you gonna sponsor someone.
If you my weight size, I ride.
You ride. But if it's somebody light,
his size,
yeah,
I'm getting a jockey.
you gonna get you a jockey.
Here goes the thing with me and jockey.
Yeah.
And here's something that I don't agree with. I'm never gonna agree with it. Because if I build my bike, I'm gonna race my own bike.
Yeah.
Because if I let a jockey ride my bike, and then my income, my money be funny. I can't transfer from my savings to my checking to cover stuff when it breaks.
Yeah.
Because a jockey just ride the bike. He don't know that you may have whatever you got in it just to get it race ready.
Yeah.
So, you know, I had a dude run up on me, hop on somebody else's bike, and almost killed somebody because he was so amped up to race and just hopped on the dude's bike. It's like, get on your bike. I was like, where's your bike at? I'll race you on your bike, but I'm not racing you on somebody else's bike. Because, number one, I raced the owner on that bike. I beat him. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then, you know, I just don't agree with the jockey situation because, I mean, I get it. You know, if you're going to have a stable of fast bikes, you want to hire you a jockey or something like that. If you're going to do that, get you a race team.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Outfit them out with
whatever your company name is.
Rocks races or exclusive sounds races or whatever. But man, this is about having fun. Bro.
Yeah.
And if you can't race your own bike and have, what good is talking shit when you watching your own bike go down the road and you ain't did nothing but spend a whole bunch of money?
Yeah, to watch your toy go down the street. Me, myself, I race for the fun of it.
Right.
I went to Phoenix, raced it, killed the 6th gear, rode back home in 5th.
Right.
Okay, I've been there when they had the roundup in Vegas. I ran the bike until it quit. Turned out, shifted the flywheel.
Right.
If you've seen a lot of my videos, I'm racing for the fun of it.
Right.
To have fun. If I lose, we're going to shake hands. We're going to talk about it. I'll see what my mistakes was and review the video.
Right.
And if I see you again, we're going to try it again.
Right.
You know, it's like the thing with the kids with the guns. Nobody wants to take a loss. Nobody don't want to go to the gym, do some push-ups. They want to go get the gun.
Get the gun and pull it out.
And pull it out.
For no reason.
For no reason. And so the same thing with
this racing stuff.
It's a similar thing. The jockey.
The thing. And then a loss is a loss.
L is an L.
Guess what? If I race my bike and I lose consecutively maybe 3 times, guess what? I'm calling the CEO and say, hey, I need to send the bike back to get some more motor done. And that's it. But man, when they just take Sale, I love Sale. That dude promote me up and down.
Yeah, I see him when he come over and hang out with you. Yeah.
Everywhere. Without him too, you know, this brand, he really, as FHO goes, so does Exclusive Sounds go, because I sponsor both of those bikes. You know what I'm saying?
And he helped me with my iPod sales.
Right.
When he gave me a commercial.
Right.
You know, I appreciate that, Sale.
So,
big shout out to Sale.
Yeah.
FHO.
Yeah. So, man, you know, that, man, after I rode, you know, again, this when we went to LA, that was my first trip across the ground.
What was the hardest part?
Coming back that 3rd day.
Now, the heat.
No, yeah, needles.
The heat.
Hey, look, I don't care.
124.
Oh, Needles, California. Like you came through Washington. You went. You hit.
No.
We came across
Kingman.
the fort.
Right.
Kingman, Arizona.
10 miles outside of Kingman.
So check this out, right? This some funny shit right here.
Okay, let me stop.